Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Frosted Butterflies Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, I'm going to be using not Milky White as the base color on my left hand, and one coat black for the base color on my right hand. For the water marble, I'm going to be using Phantom Coal, Cloud 9, Vitamin Glow, Shadow Lake, Moon Lagoon, and Swan Song. Once I have my base color applied, I'm going to go ahead and protect around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw in a petal design. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and dip in my nails, and I'm going to be aiming the tip of the flower toward kind of the tip of my nails. Once I've dipped, I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection and then marble the rest of my nails. Once I'm done marbling both hands, I'm going to move on to the cleanup. I'm going to be using a Q-tip for any larger areas as well as under the nail, and then going closer around the edges with a small brush dipped in acetone. Once all the cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. When I received the Holo Taco Underglow Collection as PR, I really wanted to try and marble them all together, and they work together amazingly well in the water. I had a little trouble deciding if I wanted a white background or a black background, and so I didn't decide at all. I went with both, obviously. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate these micro shimmers. And if you'd like to check out the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of these down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.